how this place was formed, how the salt flat was created. Well, as I was telling you before, here we got the Domeico Mountains, the big one that you can see over there, right? Here we got the Salt Mountains, and then we got the Andes. We're going to focus in this area. We're going to forget a little bit about this. We're going to talk about this in the afternoon. But, well, remember, I told you that the driest place in the Atacama Desert is between the Coast Mountains and the Domeico Mountains. Here, there's absolutely no water at all. Why? Because everything that's coming from the Andes gets trapped here in this closed basin. The Domeico Mountains, they're a natural barrier for everything that is coming from the Andes. What is it coming from the Andes? Well, this water here, we got a lot of volcanoes here, as we saw it. We saw one active volcano, we saw a lot of different mountains in there, a lot of not active volcanoes, but they were active at a certain point. So, well, here we got a lot of volcanic material, a lot of sulfur, a lot of salt, a lot of calcium, a lot of gypsum, a lot of lithium. And everything is carried by these rivers, by this underground water, and comes here to this place, and then it doesn't go any further. Everything gets trapped in this closed basin. Now there we got the sun, and actually right now here it's not warm at all. It's actually kind of chilly,
It's
right?
chilly,
It's
yeah.
chilly in Chile. That joke never gets old. Never. Well, and if we go to under the sun, we will feel it warmer immediately because the radiation of the sun here is extremely dry. So high. So, well, because of that radiation, the water will get evaporated. But the water gets evaporated. The rest of the minerals will stay here in this place. So for millions and millions of years, actually the formation of the Andes started somewhere around 65 million years ago. So that means that for 65 million years, this place has been gathering all of this material. A lot of people says, well, the entire Chilean territory 150 million years ago was covered by the ocean. And that's why we got salt in here. Well, that's half true. The Chilean territory was covered by the ocean 150 million years ago, but the salt that we got here has nothing to do with the sea. It's coming from the Andes. What is the most important factor?
Where did the Andes get the salt from?
Where did they get the salt from? From the volcanoes?
From the volcanic activity.
But that's only sulfur.
Sulfur, salt, a lot of different materials. Actually, a lot of people says, well, if we got salt from here, it's because the ocean was here. Actually, it's the other way around. All of the saltiness of the ocean, it's coming from the earth. The same process, sorry. The same process that takes place here, it takes place on a bigger scale in the ocean. So this is kind of a small ocean. And it will get salter and salter and salter with the pass of times. The ocean will have the same effect. The ocean will get salter and salter and salter because of this fresh water that's coming from the rivers. The water gets evaporated and then the cycle of water keeps going. The exact same thing. Here, since that it's on a smaller scale, we got way more minerals. So all of the salt that we got here, all of the minerals that we got here, they're coming from here.
So basically, you need a basin to hold that beer to become a salt.
Exactly.
Right.
If the Domeico Mountains were not here, the Atacama Salt Flat would not exist. Okay? The Domeico Mountains, it's the key factor to have the salt in here. Otherwise, there will be no salt flat because all of this will keep running down to the ocean and then it will be the same cycle of water than anywhere. Okay? So that's how the salt flat it was formed, and it's actually still gathering material. There's still water coming from the Andes. Now, the most important mineral here, it's lithium. We got one of the biggest lithium reserves in the Atacama Salt Flat. What is lithium used for? Well, first of all, it's used in medicine.
Batteries.
Yes, that's the main use. But well, first we use it in medicine, basically to treat some mental disorders like schizophrenia, like bipolarities, like depression. That is treated with lithium. That's why when you come here to the Atacama Desert or the San Pedro area, and you know the people that we live here and we work here, we're really relaxed and chill out because there's probably a lot of lithium in the air.
All the loonies are relaxed.
That's why we come here. And well, the main use for lithium, it's batteries. So that's why we say that lithium, it's the fuel of the future. Well, let's go over there so we can talk about
What is this?
salt. Just salt.
This is a salt rock. Yeah. Can you breathe it?